ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। तेजोऽसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोऽसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोऽसि सहो मयि देहि। Now, selfless universal prayer. 2 shlokas. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarvastaratu durgani. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु सर्वः सर्वत्र नन्दतु। दुर्जन सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जन शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्येत बन्देभ्यो मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Let us offer our salutations to the all-pervading blissful spirit in any name or form you like. Let us offer our salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharada Devi and Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great saints whose teachings we all have inherited. May they inspire us. May they bless us with the love of the truth. Let us offer our salutations to Pancha Mahabhutas, Agni Tattvam, Jala Tattvam, Akasha Tattvam, Bhutattvam, and Vayu Tattvam. They are in the microcosm and the macrocosm, which is called the Brahmanda and the Pindanda. What is inside our body is in the whole universe. Now let us offer our salutations, our namaskarams to the entire nature, the animals, the birds, the insects, the trees, the forests, the rivers, oceans, mountains, everything that we know and that we don't know. Try to see God in everything. Try to make our life a pilgrimage. Whatever we do should be offering to that Paramatman, to that Parabrahman, who is inside and outside, who is the smaller than the smallest and the bigger than the biggest. Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. So once again, namaste to everybody. Wish you a very good evening, Shubha Sandhya, Susandhya, and welcome to the third day of this very inspiring, very soulful, delightful bhajan sessions by Karthik Raman, Anirudh Sharma, and all of you. So make the best use of it during this pandemic time. Make yourself healthy, peaceful, devoted, meditate, learn, absorb the spirit. More than the song, what is important is the spirit of the song. That is the purpose of this course. The bhajan, the devotional bhajans sung, composed by the great saints, or the lyrics, it came from their meditation, is it not? It came from their sadhana. Whether it was abhangas, whether it is dasa sampradaya, dasa kirtan, whatever you see, it is all the spiritual contribution for us. Tyagaraja Swami saw Rama, and that's how he could say everything is Rama. Bhadrachala Ramadas could see Rama everywhere, and that is how he could see Anta Ramayam. Purandara Das could see Purandara Vithala everywhere. Mirabai could say, Mere to Girdhar Gopal Dusra na koi. Are we able to say that? We only sing Mira's song. We don't say Krishna is everything for me. But Krishna Prasad we want. That is our devotion. Vivekananda says 3 times around the temple and ask prasadam. Mira drank poison. She drank poison. She was made to sleep on the bed of poison by her own husband, so-called husband, the Raja. But she said, Giridhara Gopal is there. Prahalada Bhakti, Narada Bhakti, Shabari Bhakti. So that spirit should come into us. Then alone India will revive. Then alone Sanatana Dharma will become strong. Then alone God's grace will come on us. In the 10th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna clearly has told, Mat chitta, mad gata prana, bodhayantah parasparam, katayantascha mam nityam, tushyanti cha, ramanti cha. Surrender your chitta. Chitta means mind stuff, which is combination of our ego, our desires, our thoughts, our mind. Everything should be surrendered. Mat chitta. And prana. Prana includes sense organs. Everything has come from God, but in my action, I think I am doing. The prana shakti has to be offered to God. He says, give it back to me. That means not the giving away. The attitude should be that all what am I doing morning till night is the worship of God. Mat chitta, madgata prana, and bodhayantah parasparam. When two friends meet, talk about it, discuss about it. Then you will get tripti, you will get anandam, you will feel delighted. All tension, worry, stress, corona ka maya chale jata hai. कहाँ जाता है? वापस जाता है. कहाँ से आया, कहाँ उधर जाओ भाई, बहुत हो गया. But we should feel it. We should feel that devotion. Establish yourself as much as possible in that divine consciousness. So this third day bhajan, another 2 songs by Karthik Raman, our good friend, and over to Karthik for today's inspiring and Bhava Bhakti, that is called Bhava Bhakti. Though it are really, just words, they are full of devotion, Bhava. Okay, that Bhava should enter into our mind and heart, and our life will become consecrated. Consecrated. Consecration is temple opening. Temple opening. See, temple is built out of what? Cement, sand, stone, iron. Your house in which you are now sitting, what is it made of? Cement, sand, stone, iron. Why that is called a temple and your house is just a house? Why my house is not a temple? Because God is missing there. God is missing. Now, my house. What, your house? It is not your house. You're only a guest in the house. You ask your father, father will tell my father will give my father. Somewhere, you are only a guest. Allide nammane, illi bande summane. In Bengali also similar song is there. Mano chalo rija niketane. Oh mind, let us go to the real abode. Mano chalo nija niketane. Samsar videshe, videshi irveshe. Brahma keno akarane. Are akaran, without reason, simply you are roaming about in the Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, etc. What are you doing? What did you achieve, sir, except corona infection? So, the great saint in Bengal and Purandar Dasa in Karnataka were synchronized, symbiosis. Manachalo Nije Niketane, Swami Vivekananda's favorite song. Sri Ramakrishna used to like this very much. So our abode is there. We have come here as paying guest. Don't think you are permanent. Only thing permanent is God and the Atma, Jivatma, Paramatma. That is bhajan. So let us enjoy today's bhajan. If I talk more, you will beat me. And let's talk more meditation and absorb the spirit of bhakti. Over to Karthik. All the best.
Thank you so much, Swamiji. Pranams and namaskar to everybody. Today, in the third day of our bhajan and meditation session, the first bhajan, which I'll be presenting along with Anirudh, the tabla. The bhajan is a Krishna Radha bhajan. And, I always think that Krishna is one such name whom we associate with everything. We see Krishna in a small baby. We also see Krishna fighting with pichkaris. We also see Krishna telling us the Gita. So I think we all can associate Krishna in almost every way. And this bhajan is also a very, very beautiful conversation happening between Krishna and Radha. The bhajan is called Radhe Rani, and I'm going to now present the bhajan. Radhe Rani, Radhe Rani, Radhe Rani, Radhe Rani, Radhe Rani. अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी. अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी. अब राधे रानी
बंसी मोहे प्राण बसत है, जो बंसी मोहे प्राण बसत है, जो बंसी मोहे प्राण बसत है, वो बंसी गई चोरी, वो बंसी गई चोरी, वो बंसी गई चोरी। अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे, काहे से बजाऊं, काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे, काहे से बजाऊं, काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे, काहे से बजाऊं, काहे से बजाऊं। ममा बाबा ममा बाबा ममा बाबा ममा नी नी दा बा मा दा बा मा बा मरे मरे जाने जा रे मा बा नी नी रे सा नी दा बा मा बा मरे रे सा। काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे, काहे से बजाऊं, काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे, काहे से बजाऊं, काहे से मैं लाऊं गैया घेरी, काहे से मैं लाऊं गैया घेरी। अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कर से बजाओ, मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कर से बजाओ, मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कर से बजाओ, कर से बजाओ, कर से बजाओ, कर से बजाओ। मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कर से बजाओ, मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कान्हा। मुख से तुम गाओ, मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा, कर से बजाओ, लकुटी से लाओ गैया घेरी, लकुटी से लाओ गैया घेरी। अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। हो अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर। मीरा राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। ओ अब राधे रानी दे डारो बंसी मोरी। मम मरे जानी सारे मारे रे रे सा सा धनी सारे रे सारे रे रे सारे मम रे जानी सारे म प म रे म प प म प प म प प म प प म प ma pa ni ni da ba ma pa ni ni da ba ma pa ni za ni da ba ma pa ni ni da ba ma pa ma re za ni za re ma pa ni ni za 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 ni za ni za ni za ni za ni za ni pa ni za ni pa ni za ni pa ni za ga ni za ni da ba ma pa ni ni da ba ma pa ma re za ni za re ma pa ni ni za za ni da ni za ni za re za ni za re za ni da ma ma re za ni za re za ni da ba ma pa ma re za ni za re ma pa ni रानी राधे रानी।
Wow. Are full-fledged concert, full-fledged presentation.
Thank you, Swamiji, and this could not have been possible without Anirudh. So thank you so much, Anirudh.
It matters a lot.
And like I said, such a sweet conversation happening between, I think that, what do you say, tussle, very pyara nok jok tussle happening between Krishna. He's saying, now how will I play? My flute is now gone, chori ho gaya. The flute is chori ho gaya ya kar liya. We don't know. How will I play? And she is also very smartly saying, you can play, no? So what? You play with your hands. And then he says, how should I bring the gaiya, all the cows? Oh, you bring them with the lathi, with the lakuti. They say, lakuti se lao. And then he's asking, kaise mein gaun? She's saying, muh se gao, mukh se tum gao. Then kaise bajaun? हाँ हाथ से बजाओ, पैर से बजाओ, and then lakuti se lao gaiya gheri. So that is like a question answer going on between Krishna and the Radhe Rani constantly through the song. I think that's why we can just relate to all the things which we do in our almost everyday life. Also, we can relate it with Krishna, Lord Krishna, and how even sometimes when we see the small kids doing mischiefs, then also we say, "Hare Krishna," and of course the Gita part. You are the one who will tell us all these chota mota parts. Maybe I can just say in the bhajan, but the main part you have to tell us, Swamiji.
Wonderful, wonderful. We'll meditate a few minutes.
Yes, Swamiji.
So all of you, I want to see all of you meditating, not hiding behind the screen. So please open your cameras and let me see how you are sitting, and the posture is very important. Krishna had his own posture. The meditator will have his own posture. That asanam is very, very important. It should not be shabby. It should not just be casual. That dynamism, that concentration, and the devotion matters a lot. Okay. So all of you, whoever is able to open your cameras, please open quickly. Don't waste time. And let us start our meditation. So close your eyes, please, and slow breathing, peaceful breathing. Cool down all the emotions, all the thoughts. Just hold yourself. Be aware of the present moment. Be aware of the Lord's presence. Very important. Slow, peaceful breathing. Be conscious of your breathing. Recollect the meaning of this song, the conversation, the kind of intimacy and the love of Krishna and Radha. It's very difficult for us to comprehend that pure love and that absolute oneness of these two great souls, of the Paramatman and the Jivatma. Radha embodies the Jivatma, and our meditation should be for gaining that oneness, gaining that peace, that Parama Shanti, Parama Sukha. Three things we have to give up, Sri Ramakrishna says, if we want God. Lajja, Grana, Bhai. Lajja is inhibition, boundaries, etc., etc. Grana, hatred, or judgmental, or all sorts of negativity. And Bhaya, fear. Fear of anything in the society. I love God. I am with God. I am in God. With my Ishta. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. 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 Think that your heart is like a temple. You invite the divine, invite Krishna, invite Shiva, invite Rama, invite your Ishtadevata, invite Sri Ramakrishna, who is a combination of Rama and Krishna for us. Kodanda Rama and Vrindavana Krishna became Dakshineshwara Ramakrishna. Forget all other worldly matters, worldly politics, worldly desires. You are with Krishna. You are with the Lord. He is Jagannatha. He is Jagadisha. He is the Antaryamin. He is everything. Sarvadeva Namaskaram Keshavam Pratigacchati. What he expects is Ananya Bhakti, pure devotion, pure love. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat. May Bhagavan Krishna bless us all with that pure love and give us always his company in whatever we do. And let us all request him, pray to him to be with us in these pandemic times and offer flowers at his lotus feet and continue our session. Karthik. Jai Ramakrishna.
Thank you so much, Swamiji. I'll now be sharing the lyrics with all of you in the chat so that we can learn the bhajan line by line. Okay. Anirudh will be helping me. So I'm going to sing this bhajan little lower scale. So we'll do the first portion, which is the mukhada of the song. Ab Radhe Rani,
अब राधे रानी,
Ab Radhe Rani,
अब राधे रानी,
De Daro,
दे डारो,
De Daro,
दे डारो,
Bansi Mori.
बंसी मोरी.
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
वो बंसी मोहे,
वो बंसी मोहे,
प्राण बसत है,
प्राण बसत है.
जो बंसी मोहे,
जो बंसी मोहे,
प्राण बसत है,
प्राण बसत है.
वो बंसी गई चोरी,
वो बंसी गई चोरी.
वो बंसी गई चोरी.
वो बंसी गई चोरी.
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
Now we'll go to the first tantra where Krishna is asking Radha, काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे,
काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे,
काहे से बजाऊं,
काहे से बजाऊं.
काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे,
काहे से मैं गाऊं राधे,
काहे से बजाऊं,
काहे से बजाऊं.
काहे से नहलाऊं,
काहे से मैं लाऊं.
गैया घेरी,
गैया घेरी.
काहे से नहलाऊं,
काहे से मैं लाऊं.
गैया घेरी.
गैया घेरी.
अब राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी,
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
दे डारो बंसी मोरी.
So in the response now, Radha ji is responding and saying, मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा,
मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा,
कर से बजाओ,
कर से बजाओ।
मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा,
मुख से तुम गाओ कान्हा,
कर से बजाओ,
कर से बजाओ।
लकुटी से लाओ,
लकुटी से लाओ,
गैया घेरी,
गैया घेरी।
लकुटी से लाओ गैया घेरी,
लकुटी से लाओ गैया घेरी।
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
दे डारो बंसी मोरी।
दे डारो बंसी मोरी।
At the end, we go to the last antra. मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर,
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 बंसी ले गई चोरी,
बंसी ले गई चोरी,
बंसी ले गई चोरी,
बंसी ले गई चोरी।
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी,
दे डारो बंसी मोरी।
दे डारो बंसी मोरी।
सब साथ में गाएंगे। अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी, दे डारो बंसी मोरी। अब राधे रानी, राधे रानी, दे डारो बंसी मोरी। ओ दे डारो बंसी मोरी, ओ दे डारो बंसी मोरी। So that was
Okay.
the first bhajan of this evening. Swamiji, should I go ahead with the second bhajan of the Sandhya?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can.
I hope the network is now okay and
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Okay. Thank God, because in between I just saw that the network connection went a little unstable. I hope everybody could listen and sing along. Okay. So the next bhajan which I'm going to present, like I said yesterday, one of the biggest legends of our music and our country, Pandit Rajan Mishra ji passed away, and I never knew that I'd be presenting this bhajan as a tribute to him. I just by chance I had prepared this bhajan, which my mom taught me when I was really small, and I remember this bhajan. I think some of you might still remember the bhajan. The bhajan is from the movie Sur Sangam. the entire movie is in fact sung by Pandit Rajan Sahni Mishra ji, and the movie had a very big impact, I think, on all the listeners, because this kind of music, especially such devotional music, and this song, although it is about Gopala, Murari, Krishna, but somewhere the other meaning of it is also lying in the part that the Shishya is telling the Guru that you are everything to me, and without you I am nobody. And like we always say, that Guru comes before everything else. So this bhajan is Jaun Tore Charan Kamal, and I'm going to present that now.
He Gopal Govind Murari, Govind Murari, Govind Murari. जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, ओ जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी। हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी, हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी, हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी, हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी। शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी। कितना घना बना अंधियारा, कितना घना बना अंधियारा, कितना घना बना अंधियारा। घुलता मैं सारा का सारा, घुलता मैं सारा का सारा, सारा का सारा घुलता मैं, घुलता घुलता मैं, घुलता मैं सारा का सारा। तू ही मेरा एक आधार, तू ही मेरा एक आधार। शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार, शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार। जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण पवन झकोराता सननन पवन झकोराता मारा मन कपता घबराता मारा मन कपता घबराता टूट रहा सांसों का तार टूट रहा सांसों का तार शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी। मोर पंख की किरण जगाकर मोर पंख की किरण जगाकर अधरों पर मुस्कान उगाकर अधरों पर मुस्कान उगाकर गर गा 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 गर गा गर गा गर गा गर गा गर गर गा गा गर रे 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 सारे रे रे सारे रे सारे रे सारे रे सारे रे सा गा गा रे सारे रे सारे सा गा 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 रे सारे सा गा रे गा सा गा गा रे सारे सारे गा पा गा रे सारे गा पा बा 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 गा बा 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 गा बा 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 रे गा 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 बा बा रे गा गा रे दा दा रे गा गा रे पा गा गा रे गा गा रे गा गा रे पा बा रे गा गा रे दा रे गा गा रे पा बा गा रे गा बा 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 गा बा दा दा बा गा दा दा बा गा गा बा दा गा दा बा गा बा दा दा बा गा रे गा पा बा गा रे सा रे गा सा गा रे रे गा पा रे पा गा रे सा रे गा पा दा दा गा बा दा 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 बा 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 दा बा दा सा दा दा बा दा दा बा गा रे गा रे सा रे गा पा दा 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 रे गा बा दा सा दा 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 रे रे सा दा 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 सा दा दा सा दा दा सा सा रे सा गा रे पा गा रे सा रे गा बा दा सा बा दा गा बा रे गा रे सा 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 दा दा सा बा बा सा गा गा रे सा रे गा बा दा सा गा बा दा सा गा बा दा सा pa da 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 ba ga pa da da ba ga re ga pa ba ga re sa re ga re sa sa re ga sa ga re ga sa re sa ga sa re ga re sa da re sa da 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 ba da ga ba sa re ga ba ga pa da sa sa da 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 sa da sa re sa da sa ga pa da sa re sa da sa re ga 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 re sa 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 re ga ga dha ba ga ba da dha re sa ta sa re re ga ga ba ba da da sa re re ga ga ba ba da 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 sa da sa re 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 हर ले मन की पीर अपार हर ले मन की पीर अपार शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी जाऊं तोरे चरण शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल, तोरे चरण कमल, तोरे चरण कमल परवारी.
Wow. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Now put us into a big dilemma, Karthik.
What dilemma, Swamiji?
Dilemma. I want to see you singing, but your song is so melodious, I'm in meditation.
Thank you, Swamiji.
I was playing between seeing you and listening to you.
Thank
Both I
you,
could
thank
not do simultaneously.
you.
And Anirudh, that is best. What a conversation between the singer and the player.
Absolutely. I think even sitting so far apart, me and Anirudh can
See?
converse with the musical language.
Yes.
I think it just crosses all the boundaries and
Yeah.
everything.
We forgot everything. No corona, no bharana.
No.
Oh.
Bilkul, Swamiji.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So, like I said before itself, this song can be taken in the bhajan can be taken in both the meanings. Of course, in the movie, it is the relation between the guru and the shishya, and in a way, I think when we are talking about, like Swamiji says, the Paramatma, I think even that is a similar relationship, because it is the one which is guiding us, like a guru does. And if a guru doesn't show us the right path, then none of us, I think we are all indebted to our teachers in all our ways, because none of us will be doing anything what we do now if we did not have our teacher, if we did not have our guru to guide us. So this song is precisely about that. But there's one section of the song which is very close to my heart personally, is the second portion, because I am a very I love nature, and I love environment. I love preserving nature, and I love doing whatever I can, whether it is tree plantation or saving water or rainwater harvesting, anything, nature. It's something which is really close to my heart. And the second antra of the bhajan is so beautifully saying, San sananana pavan jha Maraman kapata gharata. And then she says, Lata ji says, Tu hi mera ek aadhar, sharanagat hu dwar tihar. So I just that effect of for a second, we really like it. And when it takes a very bigger shape, we all get little frightened. We start closing our windows and we start getting
Getting cut.
Frightened. So just try to bring that feeling.
Can you repeat?
Hello. Is my voice audible now?
There was some.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes. Oh. I hope my voice is now coming better now.
If you can repeat the last sentence.
Yes. So I was saying that how when the wind takes a bigger form, we all get frightened. We close our doors and we feel, oh my God, the Andhi has come. So I just tried to bring that emotion in the bhajan while singing the Sananana portion. I hope that the feeling passed on and to you all. So I'm going to now share the lyrics, and after the meditation with Swamiji, we'll then do the song line by line.
Yeah. You can share the lyrics.
Yes, Swamiji. Why am I unable to paste it? All these technical glitches. So I had kept it ready for everybody, but seems like this is yes. So yeah.
Can you read the lyrics once?
Ji Swamiji. So the Mukhada says, Jaun tore charan kamal parvari, He Gopal Govind Murari, Sharanagat hu dwar tihar, Jaun tore charan kamal parvari. The first tantra goes on to say, Kitna ghana bana andhiyara. The darkness is becoming even darker and darker. And ghulta mein sara ka sara. I'm getting immersed in that. The darkness is taking over. तू ही मेरा एक आधार, शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार. So again, on the sharan of the Guru, the Almighty, we seek that the ray of hope, light, it removes all the darkness. And then the second mantra, like I said, san sananana pavan jhakora aata, mara man kapta ghabarata, टूट रहा सांसों का तार, शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार. And then the final antra, again very close to nature, मोर पंख की किरण जगाकर. Means when Murari plays the flute, all the animals, they all come to life and they all start, behaving at their best. They are so happy. So मोर पंख की किरण जगाकर, अधरों पर मुस्कान उगाकर. He brings such a big smile on all our faces. धर ले मन की पीर अपार. Just take away all the pain that we have. शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार, जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी.
Which raga it is? Which raga?
So this is based on Rag Bhupali. The last entire section what me and I played was Bhupali Rag. Bhupali Rag has 5 notes. Sa re ga pa dha, only 5 notes. And the beauty it creates in Carnatic music, people call it Mohanam. In Hindustani, they call it Bhupali or Bhoop.
Right. Okay. So this will help our participants to see the movie also, Sur Sangam.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, I saw it when I was very small. It's a fantastic movie and very beautiful.
The older generation movie is full of music, full of the tal, bhav, and that classical style was there.
In fact, we can't even imagine these songs in a film, especially nowadays. This is a film song. If somebody says, I think we all will be so surprised.
Today, all humdrum, dama, and running. My God. That sensitivity, these songs, bhajans bring the sensitivity, brings the fineness, brings the purity, brings the butter like melting. Yeah, that bhava that like Krishna says in the 9th chapter of the Gita, Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Oft-quoted verse. Ananya chinta. Other than Sharanagati, what your ego shows. I am a doctor, I am this, I am that. Everything Corona says, I will eat you.
Correct.
These lessons, 1.5 year lessons, if we don't learn immediately and at a fast pace, again we'll be doing the same mistake. That is human nature. But the divine nature is learning from the mistakes and moving forward towards the divinity. That's why Swami says, manifest the divinity and everything will be cured. And he wanted this bhakti, gnanam, vairagyam to go to every house. He wanted to take it to every house in India. The language which he used is, my mission in life is to carry the light and life of Vedanta to every door and wake up the divinity in every soul. What a language, and it's musical. You can put it into some Bhupali or Yaman or Bhairavi or Bhairav Raga.
Definitely.
In America, the Vivekananda's teaching, they don't read, they sing. They use the guitar. Suppose simple as arise, awake, stop not, the goal is reached. That is put into a Western classical music. You can
because I think music is such a straight to heart way to communicate the biggest, strongest, even the deepest feelings and emotions.
Yeah. So they are doing that, and Swamiji was, his words were music. So he said, this bhakti, this gnanam should go to every door, and that divinity should be roused in every soul. Today is in a dormant state. Today is in a seed form, and outside it is covered up with lot of kachra, lot of dust. So that is why we have to go through all this pain and pressures and work and life. In fact, in one of our webinars, I and Anirudh, I was chanting the Veda mantra, Durga Suktam. Anirudh was playing the tabla. So it's very good how the Veda mantras can become presentable and appealing and inspiring to the younger generation. I think you people are the best instruments of bringing what you call symbiosis and metamorphosis, the change, internal, external. So wonderful, this one, 30 seconds, let us sit quiet and close our eyes and think of the Lord. Think of Ananya Chinta. There should be nothing else other than the divine, other than Krishna, other than your Ishta Devata. Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Ye Janah Paryupasate Tesham Nityabhiyuktana, who are always in my presence, who are always thinking of me. To them I carry what they lack. Yogakshemam Vahamyaham, both spiritual and family, I take care. It's an assurance. Tesham Satata Yuktana, those who are always in communion with me, talking to me, thinking of me, working with me, working for me. To them, I bless them with Buddhi Yoga. Let us wholeheartedly, sincerely, with love, devotion, faith, offer our Shashtanga Namaskaram, offer our ego, offer all our material things, desires, everything, life itself at the feet of God. Let us be the servants of the Lord. Let us do His work. Let us be at His feet. Human effort is very limited. But Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Ramakrishna are all with us, in us. So this Bhakti Bhajana, this Bhakti Bhava should be everlasting, should become stronger. Along with our breath, should become one with our life. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Yeah, Jai Ram Krishna. Yes, Karthik.
So let's learn the bhajan line by line. जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी,
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी,
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी,
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी,
हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी,
हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी,
हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी।
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार,
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
Now we go to the first antra. कितना घना
कितना घना
बना अंधियारा,
बना अंधियारा।
कितना घना बना अंधियारा,
कितना घना बना अंधियारा।
घोलता में सारा का सारा,
घोलता मैं सारा का सारा।
घोलता में सारा का सारा,
घोलता मैं सारा का सारा।
तू ही मेरा एक आधार।
तू ही मेरा एक आधार।
So there's a small mistake in the lyric. It's द्वार तिहार. शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार,
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
Now we go to the second antra. सननन पवन झकोराता,
सननन पवन झकोराता।
म्हारा मन कपता घबराता,
म्हारा मन कपता घबराता।
म्हारा मन कपता घबराता,
म्हारा मन कपता घबराता।
टूट
Some small bandwidth is shaking.
ओ टूट रहा
टूट रहा
सांसों का तार,
सांसों का तार।
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार,
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
The final अंतरा। मोर पंख की किरण जगा कर,
मोर पंख की किरण जगा कर।
अधर पर मुस्कान उगा कर,
अधर पर मुस्कान उगा कर।
अधर पर मुस्कान उगा कर,
अधर पर मुस्कान उगा कर।
हर ले मन की पीर अपार,
हर ले मन की पीर अपार।
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार,
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल परवारी।
तोरे चरण कमल परवारी
तोरे चरण कमल परवारी
तोरे चरण कमल परवारी. So that was our second bhajan for the Bhajan Sandhya and meditation session today.
Absolutely. Both climax. It has reached the climax of bhakti, bhava, bhajana, and dhyana, and immersed in bhava bhakti. Wonderful. What the Lord wants, we have presented. Now it is his duty to give us the strength and the peace and the joy, which is disappearing due to the load of what you call the sickness and other things that is again bombarded in the media, and we are all part of it, victims of it. What to do? So this concert, these classes, whether it is the psychological classes or the musical classes and the bhajan, meditation, weekly classes, more and more of you should utilize, participate, because meditation, bhajana, seva is not part-time business. You cannot say, when I will get time, I will meditate. So when you get time, don't you eat? You will make time to eat. Even while driving the car, you munch something. So it's not a part-time business. It is always nirantara, nirantara, nirantara. So that will give you so much of strength and so much of joy and peace. So we should be able to give this to the Lord and evolve in life, overcome this violence and overcome the other passions which are disturbing our daily life. So a small offer is small seva for the society through BIHE, and offering our thanks or greetings and best wishes and good health and strength to Karthik, Anirudh. And also we have another singer who did last month, Vedant Bharadwaj. So we'll try to bring about a bouquet between Anirudh, Karthik and Vedant. Let me see why. Vedant and, on the guitar and you on this one, and it will be a blast. It will be historic, isn't it, Anirudh?
Definitely, Maharaj.
Definitely, Swamiji.
So Vedant, and there was another tabla player in Chennai by name Aditya.
Yes.
From his school days.
No, Aditya.
Yeah, I know. Aditya.
Oh, Karthik, yeah. Aditya from his school days is my good friend. Now he has become a great musician. So that was my introduction to this bhajan and tabla and dhyana. So in Chennai, we used to do that. So that I brought it to Hyderabad. Now online is going on regularly. So Karthik, and no words will be very few for you. It is only our wishes.
It is completely my. I think it is a great platform that you have created, Swamiji, because like you said, this is I think need of the hour.
Yes,
and this definitely gives us all some peace and solace and happiness.
True.
So thank you so much.
Take some feedbacks for your reference, for your just happiness.
Ji Swamiji. And before you talk, because some of the people had asked me on the first day, so I am posting a link of the playlist of the bhajans, which whatever I sang during these sessions. Those who want to go and listen, and if again want to learn, you can click on the link which is in the chat. It's on my channel, Music Karthik. Even if you by mistake you forget this link, you can go on that also and you can find the bhajans. Ji Swamiji.
Yeah. Rachai Garu, what is your feeling, experience and lessons? You are our senior volunteer devotee.
Maharaj, actually openly say this weekdays, yesterday and today, I came forcefully because we are loaded with almost 13 to 15 hours of work every day because of work from home. So somehow skipping that and trying to, but after attending the session, so forgetting all the, so by default, unknowingly, whenever I come first bhajan, I could not concentrate 100%. So the second bhajan unknowingly involved, that is the blessings and the involvement done by Karthik Garu and Anirudh. So it's, we are fortunate and we are blessed because of you. Again, we are re-energizing. I already quoted how the media is covering unnecessary things instead of actual facts. They are covering unnecessary things in the media. So through WhatsApp channels and YouTube and blah blah blah. So this is the place again. We are on track and make sure that we concentrate what is necessary in our life. So this hour gives complete boost and maintaining the day-to-day life properly.
Yeah. Very good. Venkatra Nagendra from Geetam College.
Sir, good evening, sir. Swamiji, namaskar.
Yes, namaste, namaste. Chapani.
Good evening, all. And very really wonderful session, Swamiji. So it took to another, say, very spiritual mode. And this is essential these times for everyone, And especially Karthik Ramanji and Anirudhji. Such a versatile person, Karthik ji. So I have seen your almost all videographs that YouTube and in the music. So there is a miracle. If I listen yesterday after singing, after listening to you other video also, I'm able to see the dedication towards the Lord, that the music, the divine power of the music, which will feel everyone very happy. Everyone happy. Thank you all
so
for
much.
giving the wonderful opportunity, Swamiji.
Yeah, namaste.
And,
You
thanks.
should arrange this in Geetam College.
Definitely, Swamiji. Definitely. I'm thinking, definitely.
You tell my name to the Pro Chancellor ji and others.
Sure.
You tell Sri Bharat to do something.
Yes.
Technical, academic, exam, all that is okay.
Yes.
Part of the life for Khana Pina.
Yes.
For Jivana.
Yeah.
This will solve the problems of the students.
Exactly.
They're all youngsters, great blooming artists of the country. They should counterattack the negativity in the society.
Exactly, Swamiji.
Only seminar, talking, quoting and painting is okay, but you have this bhakti bhava in the institutions. And since yours is autonomous and etc., you should be able to, we'll plan. Karthik is always available.
Definitely.
And it can be an online session, 100 students, 200 students.
Absolutely.
Sit and listen and have it.
Definitely, Swamiji. Karthik ji, thank you so much. Swamiji, thank you for giving the opportunity.
Yeah, we'll just take one more or two more. Anybody? Anita Gokhale ji, you want to say something? How you felt and what you felt? Anita Gokhale.
Yes, Swamiji. It was very nice.
You are from which place?
I am from Maharashtra, Thane, Mumbai.
Arre Baba, Maharashtra should need more bhakti.
And now Karnataka also, Swamiji, same
Karnataka
lockdown.
Competition.
It was nice session.
Yeah.
Swamiji, every month we will like to attend the session.
Yes. Next
Very
month
nice.
also, May 24, 25, 26, Bhajan Sandhya.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Vedant Bharadwaj and Karthik also have time available. He will
Yes,
join.
yes.
Anirudh will join. And we will do Big Bang. Ek dhamakad karenge.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yeah.
And
It was not
Swamiji,
imagine that we will sing these songs. This was some song that is sung very nicely.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
much thankful to Karthik Raman and
Anirudh
Anirudh
ji.
ji.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yesterday Marathas went to Pandharpur also.
yes. Swamiji, it was very nice. Marathi bhajans.
Yes.
Very nice.
Spread this message. Spread
Yes,
this
yes,
message
Swamiji. Yes.
to all your
Definitely.
people.
In
Yeah.
Mumbai.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Wonderful.
And Marathi, next time, if you can include Vachan Ved, means our
Yes.
Thakur's
Yes.
bhajan, then it will
Yes.
be
Very nice.
very
I will tell them. I will forward
Yes.
them. Yes, it will be good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Shraddha, who joined us today, who is our student in the mornings. What is your experience today? You can unmute and speak.
Thank you, Swamiji. Karthik Kartikji and Anirudhji for giving me a chance to be part of this. I'm really enlightened. And as we all know, the COVID scenario has put us down and we feel weak and nervous and the anxiety is there. But you have somehow restored and enhanced our, our faith in Lord, that we have to surrender ourselves to God and have full faith in Him and believe Him with all our compassion and all our devotion, and to pray for everyone, not only for us. And Kartik ji, Anirudh ji has played very beautifully and explained the meaning that how a devotion can help us, and we need to really surrender ourselves and believe in ourselves and believe in the God, and then pray for everyone here. So it was a very enlightening session, Swamiji. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. You are from which place?
Sir, Karnataka.
Ah, Karnataka, now under lockdown from tonight.
Yes, sir.
So spend time in this. Very good. Anybody wants to say voluntarily? You can raise your hand and you can unmute just few seconds. Jai Chandra ji, you can unmute and speak. Yeah, please.
My heartfelt from these two sessions itself, Swamiji, your explanations, the reality bring you to the immense different trance in our lively and living and all those concerns, forgetting that. Yesterday itself, I was spellbound actually. I could not, the way you explained, and I am ardent lover of Kartik, Anirudh and all that. I'm a follower of their YouTube channel and everything. But he takes me to different world.
True.
See, for singing and bringing the God into that streamline, it takes you to the different world.
Yeah.
I am an aged person, but the yesterday's session and today's session, no words.
Yeah,
it took
absolutely.
me different world, and his singing, his voice, God bless him.
Yes.
And we are actually, I am in trance.
Thank you.
Yesterday and today's also.
Yeah.
I will never forget him. And I always, every day I used to follow his channel. Because
yes, I can now. I have a face to all the comments. Yes, Jai Chandra sir, thank you.
No, we are blessed. And Swamiji, the way that shows maturity and that essence you make it transparent.
Yeah,
and his voice, somebody said it is nicely sung. I don't apprehend that. It takes you to the reality of that voice and singing to the near to the God.
Yeah.
That is not a singing and all that. He flows.
That flow
takes
is
our
the flow.
heart. He takes our heart to the nearer to the feelings of the God.
It is not just a talent.
Yes,
It's not just
that is what I am saying. That when he sings, it is not that singing. We are in a different plane.
Yeah.
We feel that we are traveling into that, and he is bringing us those. We are getting to imbibe with that. I have mostly put in his singing comment that he inspires.
Yeah.
He inspires towards the good things.
Wonderful.
And he inspires to the nearer to the God. I am very much thankful to him. God bless him.
Uncle,
and
thank you so much. Keep blessing us. We need all your blessings. Without that, we are nothing.
Thank
Please
you
keep
so much, Swamiji. Also,
wonderful.
Thank you for this.
Ramakrishna Sharanam. So very nice, all of you participating, and join our other classes, other Bharati bhajans every day in the evening. It will be there, live transmission, because of this lockdown all over the country. And evening time in every center in Ramakrishna Math is now online. Bharati at 6:45, 7 o'clock, wherever, whether it's Bombay, whether it's Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, everywhere, same universal time. Please join that. Then Saturday evening, Bhagavad Gita class in Telugu for local people. Sunday English talk by another Swamiji on different topics. Then we have other soft skills courses going on, psychology classes going on. And 3 posters are there. Leela Mahesh, quickly, you can display one by one. Upcoming classes. This is not a class, this is not a course. This is one-to-one counseling. Those who are in trouble, those who are students thinking of suicide, thinking of no concentration, no self-confidence. If there are personal problems, people can write to us, and we shall arrange experts, psychologists, our experienced faculty of human excellence. People are contacting us from Canada, from Malaysia, from different cities. They're all writing to us. We can understand the bigness of the problem outside. So our faculty are guiding them. Already 20-30 people are on roll. This is one-to-one counseling, Zoom talk or over the phone. And people from all over the country can contact us, write your problems, and I shall arrange the correct faculty. This is a good service to the society. For the next 6 or 8 months, this will continue. Atma Shraddha. Next. Yeah, this is yoga classes by our expert faculty trained in Bangalore, trained in BK Saingar Institutes. They are our faculty. New batch starts from 3rd May to 29th May. Early morning, 6:35, 6:45 to 7:45. Ladies batch is there, gents batch is there. Those who are interested can join. This is online course from your house itself. You can learn, practice yoga. Yes, next. This is mind management course from 3rd May to 8th May in the morning, 6 days. At present, this week it is going on. What is going on is overcoming tension, fear, anxiety, stress, etc. This is connected with that mind management for 6 days, early in the morning times, 8:30 to 9:30. Okay. These are 3 immediate courses. Once this completes, one by one, we will upload in our YouTube, in our this one. And today's at the last 3 days program also will upload in our YouTube channel, VIHEHYD. So all of you can see and learn and spread this message to all of you. Okay. So last point is on Saturday, we might organize a webinar. A webinar because 1st May is the foundation day of Ramakrishna Math and Mission 124 years ago. It's a huge anniversary. Vivekananda started May 1st, 1897. So I'm talking 2021. 124 years ho gaya Ramakrishna Math ka. Next year, 125th year. It will be a grand celebration for whole country. So we are having the story of the Ramakrishna Math and Mission, a small interaction webinar with some experts and our volunteer devotees, and some senior swamis will join us. We are preparing the agenda. We will send it to you because your emails are there with us. Please join 1 hour, 2 hour program, 11 o'clock in the morning, Saturday. So please participate in this Ramakrishna Mission movement. Swamiji wanted the devotees and the monks to come together and serve the society and elevate the spirit in everybody. Whether it's musicians, whether it is social workers, whether it is youth, whether it is doctors, whether it is housewives, whether it's bhaktas, anybody should come. There's a Maha Yagnam for the society. Satya Yuger Punya Sruti Tumig Anile Kali Tapas. In this Kali Yuga, you brought the spirit of Satya Yuga. A great poet called Kaji Nazrul Islam of Bengal writes on Sri Ramakrishna. What a attitude he had. Though he being a Muslim, so devoted to Ramakrishna Vivekananda, he says, Satya Yuger Punya Smriti. The memories of Satya Yuga you brought in the Kali Yuga. You are a tapas, you are a tapasvi. So Sri Ramakrishna came for that purpose. And he was a lover of bhajans, lover of music. He said, stop talking, sing for some time. Sing the name of the mother. Sing the name of the Lord. And all the fears and worries and troubles will disappear. Sri Ramakrishna used to tell, whenever you sing, you clap your hands. And somebody asked, why we should clap our hands? See, when the crows are sitting on the tree or on your window, you clap and they will fly away. Similarly, when you clap, the miseries will fly away. Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai? So don't sit with hands tied up like this, like a good boy or a good girl. Sing the name of the Lord. Ramakrishna Hari, Ramakrishna Hari, Ramakrishna Hari. And have that fervor, have that bhakti. It should not be fanatical. It should not be just this one, but it should create Shakti. Ramakrishna used to dance. And in the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, it is written, whenever he dances, it was like a lion dancing. Simhanadam, like Shiva dancing. Shiva Tandava. Here, Ramakrishna's dance was a lion. Can you imagine? Lion dancing? How powerful it must have been. It should evoke that inner Shakti. So, Karthik, Shah Anirudh, and all others, namaste to everybody. 3 days, Sunday morning, Monday evening, today evening. Melting.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is it not
Pranams
Ambika
to-
Thapar ji? Enjoy kiya? Ambika is joining from Gurugram, in another part of the country, where so much of masala, this one is going on. What you call corona effect. Kaisa laga, Ambika ji?
Pranam, Swamiji.
Pranam.
Swamiji, I just want to extend my thanks to Karthik and Anirudh both.
Thank you, Ambika.
Because I just want to share one thing, that there is a song, Chetan Man Ki Seva Karo Nar, Janam Safal Ho Jaye. This song was introduced I attended in one of the webinars earlier also, and Swamiji also recommended me, and I have captioned this like my sweet friend song, because
Yeah.
you listen to it and you get connected to God like a friend, inner God. So it's a beautiful companion song. So thank you once again for narrating it, explaining it, and getting us connected to our inner divine being. Thank you so much. And second, today there was a beautiful conversation between Krishna ji and Radha ji. So far, I have always listened to a girl's plea towards God, that you don't do this to me, some kind of a tantrum thrown towards God. But today, for the first time, it was like Krishna ji speaking to the women folk what he desires. Like he is also connected to the femininity. So in which way? And that personification in Radha, that divinity in Radha was beautifully explained through your song and gestures. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ambika. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I could not.
Thank you, Swamiji, once more. And my next building is all cantonment, full of corona. After one corona, so it's all
Baba.
but Govindam.
So much. No, sure. Man-made and nature-made and so much suffering. Oh. But anyway, wonderful people, the wonderful atmosphere we have created.
Yes,
Keep it in
yes,
your heart,
thank you,
keep it in your
thank you.
mind, meditate, sing the name of the Lord, and all worries will disappear. Okay. Karthik
Thank
ji,
you.
Shubharatri.
Shubharatri, everybody. Pranams and namaskar.
Okay, stay safe, do your asanas, meditate, attend the classes, keep in touch with us. All
Yes,
the
you can keep in touch with us. Now everything, I think Swamiji is also on Instagram. I am also on Instagram. You can find me on I am Karthik Raman or on YouTube, wherever you want.
Yes.
We are all available everywhere.
Yes. We shall arrange some other programs also. And intimately.
Definitely.
Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Jai Ramakrishna, good night, and meet you all again soon. Jai Ram. Thank you, Karthik.